Now I would like to show the AWS CLI auto prompts and just use the carousel. And here you will see this kind of command where command you use the auto prompt to as a startup. And but you can try. You need to know that this is about AWS CLI version 2. Otherwise, it will not be here. And if you are using Cloud 9, you will find that AWS CLI version is not is still this is new image, but it's still in the it's old version. It's a 1.9 something. Um, First of all, if you want to enable it, it's just quite straightforward. Hyphen hyphen CLI tab. It will show you auto complete a tab auto com, and it will show you the auto complete mode. This is something very similar to other things. So just drop it, let you to have drop down to um to set your auto complete by default. This is not many difference since if you just want to add just want to get the identities here, you just something similar, just enable let you to drop down in the default mode. And okay, it will help you to generate command, but since our command is not yet complete, it will become like that. Oh, okay, let's try again and let me enable other panel. First of all, it's very important. You need to show the hotkey. You click F1. Since there is multiple panel and multiple panel, we've got different feature. And here is the general one. You type in command, it just so auto complete, hide the hotkey F1, and show different panel, move to different panel, and you can search something. Okay, just open another panel. You click on the document panel will be useful if you are new to AWS, and also it will that you have another panel called so-called output. It will give you the JSON schema if you're doing something. You express what kind of output there, and let me also open it. And first of all, and for example, when you start the document here, I still want to type the SV this time. I want to show my bracket, and then when I hit the SV, this one is already updated, and there's no output since there's no output at this level. But for example, if I want to do something, complete the command, you will see the output. And now I want to check out the document. I want to list the bucket, ls. And then you see that the document is trained according to when I'm typing it. And if I want to review the document more, I can go to the panel. I just click on the next panel, F2. It will go to my document panel, and I can follow this to search something, to page up, page down. For example, you want to page down, it's just EZ, and then at the bottom there will be some example code. Yeah, and you can go it up. It's W. Yeah, and here's some command line sample. You want to list a bucket. You want to have a prefix. Maybe you're the top level. You will just want to list everything. And okay, here is example. And now, if I want to move to another panel, I can just click to F2, we'll go to another one, and then the round trip will back to here. If I in another panel, I want to finish, it's just click on Q, it will move back to here. And you just follow the dock pen, just follow the shortcut here to show high the hotkey here. You will know what's opening. But it's quite simple function. Somehow it's a searching and moving up and moving down only. And okay, it's just this time I want to have the auto complete. For example, I can hyphen hyphen. Okay, I want to have the recursive. For example, region. Yeah, I just tap it and click here. But maybe the to SV region is meaningless since you don't need to put any regions. There's no dropping down. But something strange, and I want to bet it here. Yeah, I will. When I commit the command, it will leave the set with the command generation view. But every time you get in, you will find is reset and everything. But when you can set the config, but somehow it's okay. One more trial, as I want to test on the STS, and then I want to get the caller identity. Okay, since I want to know my current login, account ID. And this time I should be go to the output panel. I just show the output panel. At this level, you will see there's a difference thing can be here. If you give your user ID, there's a JSON schema, and this one will be useful for you if I just hit here. But maybe I want to have the YAML output, maybe the input YAML, CLI input YAML, or output you output. Just say down and then pick a space, and then I want to have a table. Yeah, you see the output is a sample. You move test here, and you can got all kind of input. Maybe just test one. Then I can get account here with JSON, and okay. But now I will try to have a JQ here. JQ here. Let me try. Oh, it will not let me to do something like that. That somehow is a AWS command generator. If you want to have the combine of the command, you need to copy it and go here and take the output, and then take the JQ doc account. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is the rate of the using the CLI auto prompt in AWS, but the performance is quite smooth. It will not be very slow, since maybe preload everything in their direction, not load the document at the one time. Okay, here is just a quick demo with the AWS CLI auto prompt.